Now, we have talked about global retail trends and seen how exciting and the fast paced the retail world is becoming. But let's shift the gear for a moment and talk about something even more exciting and relevant for you and me, the future of retail and why choose a career into retail management. Career in retail management. First, retail management is not just a job, it is an adventure. No 2 days are even the same. One day you could be launching a big marketing campaign, the next day you are solving complex supply chain puzzle, designing stunning store display or driving or diving into the customer analytics. Retail management is creative, strategic and hands-on all at once. Now the most important question, what careers are waiting for you? If you're doing this courses, what exactly you can do for any retailers across. Let me quickly show you some amazing parts you can take. Again, this list is evolving, the technologies are evolving, but this is a traditional uh, career paths that I want to show you quickly, and then you can choose based on your interest. Now imagine yourself it as a store manager, leading your team, setting sales record, and building customer loyalties every day. Or perhaps think about as a merchandising expert, careful picking products, planning promotion that thousands of customers will see and buy. If you love technology, I think we have an information technology here. If you love tech and innovation, you could manage an e-commerce or omnichannel experience, blending digital and physical retail into one seamless customer journey. And if you're fascinated by logistics, then we have supply chain. You could manage a supply chain end to end and finding smarter, faster ways to get product from your warehouse to the store. If you love storytelling and branding, then we have retail marketing management. That role could be yours, crafting irresistible promotions, loyalty programs, and digital campaigns. And for the data wizards out there, there are roles in the digital analytics. And finance means turning data into the actionable insight, driving profits and growth. If you wanted to support the retail and your expertise is into the legal, then you can join retail as a legal and legal and corporate affairs team to supporting retailers to be compliant as per the government rules. Now, what skills retailers are looking or desperately looking today, which you should go for? If you can be customer focused, tech savvy, agile, data driven, creative, and ready to lead, you're exactly who the retail industry needs right now. Retailers today need leaders who are ready to learn, quick to innovate, and passionate about making differences. And that's this course is all about. To give as a pathway to be leader in the retail. In the and this is the course, and this is where the course is all about. And this is the course all about helping you, enabling you to be the leader in the retail industry. In the upcoming modules of this course, I will equip you with everything you need to build this exciting retail career. I'll share insider tips, real world strategies, and future ready skills. So you are prepared not just to enter in the retail industry, but to truly excel into it. So, are you ready to take the next steps towards this amazing retail career path? Let's do it together.